Just put a wet wipe in the washing machine, and you'll be amazed by the results. A laundry employee taught me this trick, and today I'm going to show it to you. I'm sure you've never used wet wipes like this before, but when you find out what's for, you'll want to try it at home. It's a very simple tip, but I bet it will be very handy. So watch until the end, because I'm sure you're gonna love this. So here's what you need to do. First, go ahead and separate your clothes for washing. Here I'm doing it with the dark ones, but you can do this with any other color too. The result will be the same. So let's add the dish soap. And now the fabric softener. So far, just do the regular process. But before starting the machine, you're gonna add 2 wet wipes. You can use whatever brand you prefer here. And now you must be wondering what's the purpose of this, right? Well, if you have pets at home, you surely have a problem with this. Your clothes get filled with fur, especially dark ones. And even after washing your clothes, they still don't come off easily. That's exactly why I always wash my clothes with wet wipes. During the washing process, the wipes move around the drum of the machine, collecting all the lint and fur. And this problem goes away with them. It's just amazing, folks. Since I knew about this tip, I only wash my clothes like this at home, and it buys me a lot of time. Here are some important pieces of advice though. You should use a maximum of 3 wide wipes per wash. Having finishing the washing process, you gotta remove all of them. If the wide wipes are scented, it's very important to use fabric softener, so the scent of the wide wipes doesn't transfer to the clothes. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Give it a try at home. I'm sure you'll love the results. And of course, don't forget to come back here and tell me your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.